So did you know that PowerPoint can now deal with importing 3D models? And I'm going to go through a very quick title sequence to show you how it's done. So what I'm going to do is go to the Insert menu at the top, click on 3D models. Now you can select from a file. If you've got 3D model files on your computer, then you can bring one in that way. But I'm going to go to online sources, and Microsoft have teamed up with a company called Remix 3D, and there's a few free 3D models that you can import. I'm going to go to the space models here, and I'm going to import a picture of the space shuttle and a picture of Mars. So let's insert those onto the slide, and there they are. So there's Mars and there's the model of the space shuttle. Now, as you can see, they look at the moment just like regular images, but if you click on the model, you'll see that you can resize it in the normal way, but you can also click on this control in the middle, and it allows you to rotate the model, pan it, and so on and so forth. And of course the same with the planet Mars. Let's zhoosh it up a little bit by bringing in a picture. The picture we'll bring in is a nice starry background. We'll put it to the back of the slide. There we go. We now have the shuttle and the planet Mars on the starry background. So what we're going to do is, let's first of all just make Mars a little bit bigger. Place it there. And I want to make the space shuttle, let's put it in angle like that. Make it much smaller. And I'm also, let's zoom out a little bit, I'm going to put it off the edge of the slide, up there. Now what we'll do is we'll duplicate this slide, right click on it over here, duplicate slide, and we're going to, I think we're going to make Mars quite a bit bigger on this slide. And maybe we'll just rotate it a little bit. What I also want to do, let's just zoom out, is bring the space shuttle onto the slide. And we're going to enlarge the space shuttle, and we're going to tilt it round so that it goes past the planet. Make it even larger than that, I think. I'll bring it to the front, that might help. And we'll put the shuttle on our image like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the morph transition. So on the second slide here, we'll go up to transitions, click on morph, and you'll see that the space shuttle moves and the planet rotates slightly. I'm going to increase the duration of that to 10 seconds, because I think that was much too fast for a title sequence. So let's have another quick look at that. Okay, that's much better. So let's add some text in for our title sequence on this second slide. So we'll insert a text box. Type mission 2. We want white text. Let's have a nice space-like typeface. And let's try Industria. Center the text, make it nice and big. I'm just going to hold Control and Shift down and click on that to duplicate it. And then let's type the word Mars and select a different typeface. Let's try the one called Poor Richard, and we'll make that much bigger. What I think we'll do is we'll move mission 2 over there a little bit, put the word Mars bring the word Mars up over the word mission and leave it like that. And actually what we'll do with the word Mars, we'll change the colour. We'll use the eyedropper tool and we'll sample a nice light colour from the planet, I think, something like that. One thing I would also tend to do with the text, especially the white text, is to add a glow to it because it's kind of clashing a little bit with the starry background. So I'm going to select the right box, click on Format Shape, go to Text Options, and go to Glow. And then what I'll do, I tend to start off with a preset. Let's try Red one. That was quite good in terms of the amount of glow on it, and then we'll change the glow to black. And you can see you can't really see the glow now behind the text, but it has lifted off of the starry background. So if we now go back to our first slide and go into slideshow mode, see the text fades in as well, and we have a really nice little title sequence. And that's a simple demonstration of how to use 3D models in PowerPoint.